Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right away. Confirm the console is powered and running the latest system update, and the controller has fresh batteries or a charged pack. Once done, stand within a few meters of the console and clear obvious interference like crowded USB hubs or metal barriers. Press and hold the Xbox button on the controller for about 3 seconds until it lights up. This wakes the controller and prepares it to pair with the console. Next, trigger the console's search. Press the console's pairing button until its LED begins blinking, signaling it's scanning for devices. Meanwhile, press and hold the small sync button on the controller, usually near the bumper, until the controller's Xbox button flashes quickly. That tells you it's in pairing mode. Then watch the TV. When the console lists the controller, select it and confirm pairing. Timing matters, so make sure you complete this within about 20 seconds for a smooth connection. Finally, verify the connection. A steady Xbox light means you're paired. Test buttons and sticks in the controller settings menu to confirm responsiveness. If the controller fails to connect, power cycle the console and controller, replace batteries or connect via USB to force a wired sync, then try wireless pairing again. If problems persist, remove the controller from the console's accessories list, reboot the console, and re-add it. That often clears pairing records and resolves stubborn conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.